Hi, my name is Gregor and welcome to my YouTube channel where I will show you my do-it-yourself project, remote control lawnmower. In this video series, I'm not going to share with you only the end result, but also the experience and the knowledge I gained along the way. I will talk about every single component, all the technical details, and how they were built. So, if you are interested in building your own lawnmower, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to share more videos with you soon. Bye!